There they go. All right. Come on, Billy.
And we're off for the boys' mile and 1600. We'd like to ask spectators on the west side of the track, the west side of Austin Field,
come on, Billy!
To observe these races again, west side, please back off the railing. Thank you. Second call, girls, 400-meter relay, heats 1 through 4. Second call, girls, 400-meter relay, heats 1 through 4.
Just to go for it. For a PR, might as well not hang back and race strategically. Just put it on the line. See what it is. 50, 55, 56.
First lap of the 60.
62.
Up on the reward stand are the 5 finals of the boys shot put. In 5th place, Travis Colby Chandler. In 4th place, Dominic Nathan Chandler. In 3rd place, Jeremy Tuttle of Webb.
Let's go, Billy! Come on, Billy!
56 feet, 1.5 inches.
Billy Orman. What?
I'd be like right about radio. I went to
Where's my dad?
Ready, good.
We'd like to direct your attention momentarily to the high jump pit where Catalina Foothills, Shakira McGinney, and Chandler High, Hannah Carson at the 5-foot gate mark in the high jump. Again, we'd like to direct your attention momentarily to that competition. Thank you.
Let's go, Billy! Let's go, Billy!
Let's go, Billy!
Go, Billy! Go, Billy!
Billy Orman leads the race from Tuba City High School at this point.
Montano is trying to move up with him.
That's what we need. I haven't been watching it. I know, I didn't know, I just realized. That's smart. I know. I'm not gonna time it. No, but I wish they had this.
Montoya in 2nd place. And Wall from Kenny DeLauro in 3rd place as lap 2 concludes.
Tie up.
Let's go, Billy!
Let's go,
Billy! Go!
Montoya still leads and this the final lap. Check that, Orman leads from Tuba City, then Montoya, and then Wall from Kenny DeLauro High School. Come on, let's get on the hand.
Come on, Billy!
411 or 600. 460.